These staircase ASMR videos are absolutely exploding on Instagram right now, and the crazy part, most people think they need expensive tools or editing skills to make them, but you don't. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to create the exact same viral videos using free AI tools. And I actually tested this myself. Here's what I made in under 2 minutes. Now pay attention, because this is where most people get it wrong. First, I created a master prompt for you. Copy the prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT will instantly generate 10 viral video ideas. Now here's the important part, don't just pick randomly. Choose the one that feels the most scroll-stopping. For example, I typed number 2. Then ChatGPT gives you a text-to-video prompt. Copy the full prompt and head over to Flow AI. Select the video option, paste the prompt, and hit generate. And just like that, your viral ASMR video is ready. But here's what makes this powerful, you can repeat the same method again and again to create unlimited viral videos. And I've already tested multiple variations using this exact method. Here are some of the other videos I created using it.